The 1200-watt handheld steam cleaner heats up in 3 to 5 minutes, producing steam up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit to effectively remove dirt, stains, and grease. This compact steam cleaner is easy to store yet powerful enough to drive steam into crevices, making it ideal for cleaning showers, ovens, and sinks. It excels at multi-surface cleaning, using high-temperature steam to tackle dirt and stains on kitchen countertops, bathroom fixtures, floors, tiles, upholstery, and even car interiors. The steam cleaner offers a chemical-free cleaning solution, using only water to ensure a natural clean that is safe for homes with children and pets. Equipped with a free 10-tool kit, it allows for precision cleaning by easily switching tools to suit different tasks, leaving windows streak-free and grout refreshed. The handheld steam cleaner is user-friendly, featuring a simple trigger for on-demand steam and a large water tank for continuous cleaning without frequent refills.